Speak languages I don't understand. I just turn the volume down.
Try to watch them. Okay, we're gonna film us in English how to do this particular bead. This will be the end result when we finish. That'll be the end result of the necklace. And there's the earring. So we're gonna film it. You got your, we're gonna make the bracelet. But right now we're working on another necklace. You're gonna need two needles, just regular size needles like that, two of them. And on this particular project, we're gonna use the fishing wire, regular fishing wire. And we thread it kind of long. Each two needles are threaded with the fishing wire. You see that fishing wire there? And we're using two needles and fishing wire. And or you can use that the crafting thread, or can you use the wire, the regular metal wire? But it's better to use that because you got to take it through the needles. It got to go through that needle hole. That's why the fishing wire is going to make it durable. See that fishing wire? You can barely see it, but it's there. It makes it durable and unseen. So you don't have to worry about once you make it, it break. And then if you want to see any of our crafts that we have made, you can go to the 2405 Decatur Highway in Gardendale, and you'll be able to see purchase what you see us making. We have a team of ladies that work with us, and we are committed to jewelry making, and they are quite good at it. But we're going to finish showing you this technique here first, and then we'll show you what some other projects people in the class has finished. So where we at now on here? Fisu, where we at now? So what we got to put on here again? Two on each needle. We're working with two needles on this project. So we put two on this side. It really don't take two people to do it, but I'm new at it, so I'm learning, so I thought I should share it with you because everyone we tried to watch is in Spanish, so we want one in English so that we could share it with the girls in English. So we putting again, straining that bead here through the needle on both, and then she's gonna pull them at the very end. And then we're going to take two needles. Okay, we're going to take that pink one. Now look very carefully. You see, we got two needles on this. We take one needle this way. And then we're going to just hold it here. And then we're going to take this other needle the opposite way. Like turn it around. One went up and one goes down. See, you see me doing it? And here, and then you pull it, and then you're gonna pull it down because that's that centerpiece in that necklace. We're making a necklace. That's that center. Okay. Okay.
Now you're back to the two.
Okay, now we gotta pull our thread back and kind of keep it kind of even each time you pull it. And now we're back to our two, because we put once we put the bigger pearl, the pink pearl in the center, we're gonna take it and go two on each side. See, and then we do here, and then we're gonna do it again. Once you really got this technique, you gotta practice because you even got to thread the needles and knot them, and then you got to create your pattern in here. So in the two needles, and then we do that two needles that way, and then we put the two needles together and take one bead there and stick them both through that hole at the same time. and then you pull it.
Now you go back to the 2.
And then we go back and start. It's a pattern that once you create, you got to remember. That's the hardest part about this particular exercise is learning how to do the 2. Remembering your pattern. So you do 2 on each side. 2. Okay. And then this one here, and then here, and then here, and then here. Now the pink one. And remember, look at this pink one. It's the most. You go up to the bottom, and then take the other needle and take it. Wait a minute. Take the other needle and go through the top. So one needle you take through the bottom, and one needle you take through the top. See? And you take it through the top and pull it. And then with the wire, you just have to keep things straight. And then we start back with our 2 again. 2 on each side. See, because then you do that pink one upside, inside, up one way, down the other way in that one pink bead. That gives you your design to cross it. See? Now 2. And then the 2. See? Again on that side. See, she's making it easier for me by helping me pull it while I'm learning. Do we do the pink again or the pink again? See, look at that pink one. We're going through the bottom of the pearl, and then we're going to turn around and go through the top of the pearl. And there we go, here. And then we pull it. Okay. And then
no, you didn't put the centerpiece on after that.
Yeah, that's what I thought I was missing. So we got to take it all back out because we didn't add one piece. Okay. So we didn't add that piece. So we want to take that needle back through it. Remember, because we took the needle up in the pearl and down in the pearl. So now we got to figure out how to redo it.
Just pull out. I'm trying to catch the thread.
She's trying to catch the thread so that we can get it. See, there we go. Sometime that pearls, they have a gadget that you use to go in there and clean your hole out. Sometimes they don't quite, they be kind of covered sometimes, the beads. So you take this little, like a tweezer, not a tweezer, but something round like this, and you just dig in there and clean that paint out the way. And she's still trying to get it back out. She got it out. Yeah, we got to make sure we keep them straight. But that's in teaching you, we have to show you everything so that you can know what to expect when something don't go right.
Okay, pull that bit down to here. Got it. Put your needle right here.
Right here.
Because it got twisted.
Got twisted. Okay. So we still trying to get that pearl out. Because you got to remember the steps each time. Because after we do the 2, then we put the...
the other way.
After we do the 2, we have to do the ones, the 2 needles together. So we put 2 separate, and then put the 2 separate on each side, and then take both needles together and put through there. See, now we're still trying to untangle our mess, but It's just a matter of, okay, see, she's out. See, it's out now.
Let me take this one out.
Okay, now she got to take that one out on that side, and then what we'll do is put the 2 needles together and put 1 bead on 2 needles. See, look, we got to.
When you're doing it yourself.
Because you remember, see, look. So we're gonna put the 2 needles together like this. This is the step we missed. The 2 steps, and then we take the 2 needles and put that bead in there like that, and then we go on like that. Okay, we had to do it in English, so we kept watching. Fitzsue kept watching until we got the.
Okay, now put
2 more white ones on each side. 2 more on each side, and then 2 more on that side.
Cool, it's cold. It's cold. She just had a little flash.
it was hot in here earlier.
It's cold in here. No, already.
Gotta put 1 more on that side. See, we got the 2 on each side now. And then we put the pink one on. So now we're gonna put that pink one back on. We're going under the bottom of that pink one. And then we're gonna go under there. And again, this is Miss P. And you can come find any of these jewelry we're making at 2405 Decatur Highway in Gardendale. And we have some pretty pieces. You know, you can come look, and they all basically one of a kind. Every once in a while. So do I take the 2? See, we're still working with the 2 needles. Now that I done put the pink bead back on, I'm gonna keep putting the 2 on each side again. 2 on each side. That's the pattern. You just gotta remember